What is up, guys? So today we're gonna be changing the radiator on this Honda, and here's the replacement. Look at this beauty. All right, first things first, some protection. Also, let's disconnect the battery, and then I'm gonna go to disassemble this. Okay, so for me, I don't feel it necessary to remove this. I'm not sure if it's attached somewhere over there, but I think just having it freely is fine, because I feel like I could remove it without doing all of that work. But I will remove this. Just lift it straight up. Okay, so I am going to reuse the coolant, so I got myself a little cleanish container. Slide it under. I wanna loosen this. You could remove the cap so it's faster, but I don't want it to splash everywhere right now. Okay, while that's draining, I'm gonna even see if this fits, because low-key this kind of looks like it's not gonna work. Like I said, I don't get these parts. I mean, I ordered this, but I didn't get this part. And clearly it doesn't look like it's gonna work. I wonder if this will fit into the other one that's in there. Like, does it clip on? That'd be nice, but we'll see. I might try to make it work. Yeah, right. There's one of those military airplanes. Where are you taking them? And from the looks of it, it looks like I have to remove this not so beauty cover just to get to the last hose down. Usually it's held on by clips, but there's a zip tie right there, another one right here. Alright, don't forget to disconnect this what is this again? Fan connector. Yeah, I hate these things. And there should be another one over here somewhere. We'll find it later. Okay, after lifting it and taking off this beauty cover, or shield thing, I guess it protects the bottom too. I could now put this off, that off, and that one off. Don't mind the mess, but I didn't realize they were gonna lose that much fluid. Okay, so now I'm gonna transfer the fans onto the new one and try to install that into there, because it's not the right one. You also want to remove the temp sensor and these little bushings here. Install them. These didn't come with new ones. Okay, so I took out this old motor, and I'm gonna try to take out this motor and, I don't know, try to install it into that. See if it works. I'm gonna have to break this loose. I put zip ties and it seems pretty solid. I wish I would have ran a few better ones, but put two on each side. And I mean, it shows self-clearance, right? It's all buttoned up from the bottom. I'm about to start it right now and check for leaks and leave the system a little. A little shaky. She's been sitting for a while. Alrighty, so she's pretty much almost done burping up. The fans haven't kicked on though, so I'm kind of concerned. I know this one takes a little longer, but I guess I'm gonna keep waiting to see when they activate. But don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. It supports the channel, and I'm trying to get to like 200 if I can by the end of the year, so please support the channel. Thank you.